Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't clicked on that subscribe button yet, then make sure you do so now. So, today we're going to look at the most insane and ridiculous wrap-up that you can have on your car. And it's even more outrageous when you put it on a Rolls Royce Wraith. Yes, that's correct, on a Rolls Royce Wraith. So, this car was gifted to Rashid aka MoneyKicks on his 16th birthday. Yes, 16th birthday. Like, I wish I had a Rolls Royce gifted to me on my 16th birthday. Forget that, I don't even know what I got gifted last year on my birthday. And he got a Rolls Royce. That's ridiculous. He's this multi-millionaire, billionaire, trillionaire, quadrupillionaire. I don't even know, man. His social circle in Dubai has some of the most famous celebrities that you could ever think of. Nope, I am not even kidding. His friends range from some of the greatest footballers like Ronaldo, Messi, then you got Pitbull, you got Cardi B, although she doesn't look very interesting in this picture, one of the greatest boxers, Mayweather, and Bhai ka bhai, Salman Khan. Like, can you imagine being a teenager and chilling with these people? Like, how cool is that, isn't it? I guess that's what royalty gets you in Dubai. As a child, you might have had a pet, like a dog or a cat, right? When growing up. Or even a sheep. Obviously, if you lived in Wales. But nah, man. That's too low-key for him. That's too common, man. This kid grew up with tigers and lions as his pets as a child. In classic Middle Eastern style. Not even kidding, man. Check this out. Like, what if one of these things jump on you, man? What'd you do then? Who feeds a tiger just like that? Like, I know you got Musafa there, but are you serious? Like, I know baby Simba looks really cute and everything, but are you serious? You're gonna put your finger in its mouth like that? Like, come on, man. Normal people have got a pool to casually swim in or sunbathe in. But no. Rashid, aka MoneyKicks, has got a pool for its tiger. That's how you know how rich he is. Like, if any of these animals came even close to me, I'd probably pee myself. Not even kidding, and I'm quite sure you would do as well. So it's pretty super duper cool that he had these as pets. Before we check out his new wrap on his Rolls Royce, his previous wrap up was a Supreme LV cover on his Lamborghini. So I can't even wait to see what his new wrap-up's going to be on his Rolls Royce. So let's check it out. That's our man of the hour, MoneyKicks, and that's his new car wrap. Bloody hell! It's got a Dior car wrap on his Rolls Royce. Like, that's insane! Look at that car wrap! Wow, that is a beauty. Woohoo! Man, that car looks sweet. Imagine just strolling down the streets of Dubai and you see a Dior car pass by. Like, look at that cover, man. His tires, those. Woo! Who gets a Christian Dior wrap up on their car? This could only happen in Dubai, man. Like, that's ridiculous. Imagine, like, literally just driving that casually. You only do that on the streets of Dubai and nowhere else. That is absolutely insane. Look at how sexy that car looks. Also, I love how his shirt also matches the wrap-up. He's also wearing a Christian Dior shirt of the exact same wrap-up. Look at that car. God, Rolls Royce Wraith is already so hot and sexy, and with that wrap-up, a billion times better, man. Like, how much does a wrap-up cost? Like, how expensive would this wrap-up be? Honestly, that wrap-up is just so hot. I can barely afford a button from Dior, and this guy has gone and gotten his entire Rolls Royce wrapped up in Christian Dior. Christian bloody Dior, man. What is he on about? Like, that car looks so sweet and so sexy, but how much did it cost? Like, I really want to know how much it costs to get your car wrapped up in Dior. So if any of you out there know that price, drop it down in the comments. Like, absolutely insane. In love with that car, looks so hot, looks so sexy, but bloody hell, these things can only happen in Dubai, the land of riches, the lands of kings, the lands of princes. Like, hands down, mate, you've got a sexy, hot, sweet car. Kudos to you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see me react to more such videos about expensive items and luxurious items, then hit me up in the comment section and make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out some of my other videos. Have a good day.